Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the platform. Today, we're taking a look at NinjaTrader, available at NinjaTrader.com. This platform offers a robust suite of tools for futures, forex, and stock trading, catering to both active traders and investors. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, NinjaTrader has something to offer. They provide a comprehensive trading experience, from advanced charting and analysis to order execution and risk management. One of the key features of NinjaTrader is its highly customizable charting interface. You can tailor charts to your specific needs, with a wide range of indicators, drawing tools, and chart types available. This level of customization allows you to analyze market data in a way that best suits your trading style. Beyond charting, NinjaTrader also boasts advanced order entry capabilities, including bracket orders, OCO orders, and more. These tools allow you to automate your trading strategies and manage risk effectively. NinjaTrader provides access to a variety of market data feeds, giving you the information you need to make informed trading decisions. They also offer a simulated trading environment, also known as paper trading, which is invaluable for practicing your strategies and honing your skills before risking real capital. This practice environment lets you experience the platform's functionalities and test different approaches without financial consequences. For those seeking more advanced tools, NinjaTrader offers a marketplace with numerous add-ons and extensions developed by third-party vendors. This expands the platform's capabilities even further, offering specialized indicators, automated strategies, and other useful tools. While NinjaTrader offers a powerful platform, it's important to note that it can have a steeper learning curve compared to some other trading platforms. The sheer number of features and customization options can be overwhelming for beginners. However, they offer extensive educational resources, including webinars, tutorials, and a comprehensive knowledge base to help users get up to speed. Taking the time to explore these resources can significantly enhance your understanding of the platform and its capabilities. So, if you're looking for a feature-rich trading platform with advanced charting, analysis, and automation capabilities, NinjaTrader is definitely worth checking out. Be sure to visit their website at NinjaTrader.com for more information and to explore their offerings. Remember to check the description for relevant links, and thanks for watching.